Then I did a song, excuse me, back there. I did a song that was probably one of my biggest records. And it's a very tender, you can only sing this song standing like this. If you stand straight up, it'll strip your gears, man. It'll, what's that? Oh, it's my belt. Thought they were already stripped. You too. You lose your teeth, if you don't watch it. Don't go telling no Panthers on me nothing like that either. Because I got a bunch of Bengal tigers I'll sink on, man. You ever see a panther and a tiger fight? Oh, Lord, they get it on. Anyway, it's a very tender love song. If it was, I just blew it, man. You get up in a girl's face and you say it. Yeah! It blows her hair right straight back. You just... Yeah! See, I was 20 years old when I recorded this song. My voice was much higher. So we're going to bring in Fig Newton. That's Wayne's brother. He's going to do it for me. See, he's got the high voice. You almost